In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access HubSpot HTML email. Whether you're looking to edit, analyze, or reuse an email's HTML code, knowing how to retrieve it directly from HubSpot is an essential skill. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process so you can confidently access the HTML code without any hassle. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log into your HubSpot account. This is important because accessing your emails and their details requires you to be logged in. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your HubSpot tools and data. Next, navigate to the marketing section of your dashboard. This is where HubSpot keeps all the tools and resources related to marketing, including email management. You'll find it conveniently located in the main navigation bar. So take a moment to locate and click on it. From there, click on the email option. Doing this will open up the hub where all your emails are stored. This is essentially your library of emails, making it easy to browse through and find what you're looking for. Now, take some time to browse through the list and locate the specific email you want to access. If you have multiple emails, you can use filters or the search bar to narrow things down. Once you've found the email, click on its name. This will open up a detailed view of that email, providing you with more options and settings to work with. Hover your mouse over the email preview. As you do this, you'll notice an option appear that says View Email. Click on this option. This step is essential because it opens the full email in your browser, allowing you to see the email as it was designed and sent from here. You'll be able to take the next steps to access the HTML code. Once the email is open in full view, right-click anywhere on the web page. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the option that says View Page Source. Now, depending on the browser you're using, this option might be labeled differently. For example, in Chrome, it will say View Page Source, while in Firefox, it will simply say Page Source. Choose the appropriate option for your browser. This will open a new tab displaying the HTML code that constructs the email. At this point, you'll see the entire HTML code on your screen. Carefully highlight the section of the HTML code that you want to copy. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired area. Once the code is highlighted, right-click and select the Copy option. This will store the highlighted code on your clipboard, ready to be used wherever you need it. Finally, paste the HTML code into the location of your choice. This could be a text editor, another email platform, or any tool where you need to use the code. Pasting the code allows you to integrate, edit, or reference the email's HTML content as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to access and copy HTML from an email in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can now retrieve and reuse email HTML with ease. If you have any questions or need help with a specific part of this process, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.